So this is Proton SX5 audiometer. This portable audiometer comes with air conduction headphone, bone conduction headphone, patient response switch, USB data cable, software installation CD, along with user manual, audiological evaluation book, and 2 pens. As you can see over here we have to make connection for the patient response switch and headphones. This white over here is showing that here we have to make the patient response switch connection. This is for the bone conduction headphone. These both are for the air conduction headphone. Red denoting the right headphone and the black is denoting the left. Here we understand the each and every function of the button over here on the keyboard. Here I am doing test for air conduction. Here right denote for red ear and the black denote for the left ear, but we can use blue also for the left. Now I am switching on the machine. I have connected the patient response switch over here. When you press this on switch, you will automatically comes in this main menu. This is the main menu where we have all the option for the test. So for example, now we wanted to do AC air conduction test, which is blinking currently. So from the keyboard we will just select this button and it will go to the inside the menu. Now by default you will see the air conduction left 1000 Hz frequency, which is continuous, and the 30 decibel by default every time when you start the machine. So here you can see the keyboard and we will go through function of each button. The first over here, the navigation button. Whenever I press this navigation button, it will go forward and backward, as you can see on display. So if you wanted to do bone conduction test, you just go forward and press the select button. Now when you select the button, you go inside the menu. When you want to come out from the menu, you just press menu button and you can come on main screen. Now if I wanted to go on next test, you can press over here. If you wanted to go backward, you can see the blinking option over here. So whenever I select particular test, I wanted to press this button and I'm in that menu. Now as you can see over here, this is button to change the frequency up and down. When I press this button, you can see change in the frequency. This is going up, this is going down. Same way you can change the intensity by pressing up and down button. If you wanted to do masking, you can select masking over here and change the masking from this option. Now here is the button for LR shift. LR denoted as left and right. So when I press LR, as you can see in the screen, this now become ACR. Now I press again, this become ACL. ACL means air conduction left side, ACR means air conduction right side. This button is extension range function. So if a particular patient can't hear sound after 100 dB. So we press this button and the frequency go beyond that range. But this is like a lock button, so the frequency will be locked till 100 dB, and after that if we wanted to do test, if the patient is not able to hear that particular decibel sound, you can press this button and go beyond the 100 dB sound. This is for the tone selection. So currently it is showing that continuous tone is given. When I press this button, now it is showing the pulse tone is given. Now when I press again, you can see the W, which denotes wobble sound. This stimulus button is whenever you are giving sound to the patient or tone to the patient. Whenever you press, you will see the sound bar over here also whenever you are pressing this stimulus button.